What's going on, everybody? Steve here, Rake and Profit over at rakeandprofit.com, coming back to you from Arcadia National Park over here in Maine. Climbing a hill right now, or a mountain, I guess you can say. But there was a post in my eBay to Amazon Masterclass Facebook group. Now, this is the community that you get access to if you join my eBay to Amazon Flipping Masterclass. I'll put a link down below if you're interested. But one of my students did something that is 100% against what I teach. I don't put this in the masterclass. I warn against it, left, right, middle, up, down. I tell everybody, don't do this. But time and time again, and this is probably maybe 5% of the people who join my masterclass, they want to try to reinvent the wheel. They want to do their own thing. They don't want to take the advice or follow the blueprint that works. Because inside my eBay to Amazon Masterclass, not to toot my own horn, but I'm doing this. I've sold over $1 million in the last 2 years with the eBay to Amazon method. So nobody can tell me anything. I know what I'm doing. I've gone through the path. I've made mistakes. I know what's good, what's bad, what's going to get you money and get you moving in the right direction, and what's going to get you banned and kicked off. And what this guy did, and I don't mean to share this to put him on blast, although you got to be careful what you sell. When you flip items from eBay to Amazon, if you thrift, garage sales, even if you sell stuff from around your house, you don't have invoices. And what people do time and time again, and it gives eBay to Amazon flipping a bad rap, is they go in, they start selling DVDs, and guess what they do? They go right on eBay. They go for the DVDs that are a 600 rank, a 1,000 rank, a 3,000 rank, the most popular, fast-selling, hottest flipping items. Like, these items are still in the retail stores. They're selling hundreds of thousands on Amazon. Guess what they do? They buy them from eBay. They sell them on Amazon. And within a month or two, guess what? They either get a Section 3 claim on their account, or Amazon essentially, you get IP complaints, you get counterfeit complaints, and Amazon essentially comes after you and they're like, hey, we want to see legitimate invoices. If you're going to flip items from eBay to Amazon, you're going to start. Flipping DVDs is a great way to start, but don't get cocky. Don't try to reinvent the wheel. Don't go against what I'm telling you to do in the masterclass. Now, I'll be honest, the way that I operate my business, it's a bit more conservative, right? Because, I don't know, I guess it's just my personality. I worry a lot. I want to keep my account safe. And after selling, in the last 2 years, over $1 million and 20,000 plus products I flipped from eBay to Amazon, I have a super clean account. I've had a couple issues, but the issues I've had were mistakes that I warned against in the eBay to Amazon masterclass. Now, regardless if you're a student or not, stop flipping these hot selling less than 20,000 ranked DVDs. I'm telling you right now, yeah, you could pick them up on eBay for 20 and flip them for 90, but it's too good to be true. You might get away with it 10, 20, 30, 40, 50, even 100 times, because the reality is most customers aren't going to know if it's real or fake. But guess what? Eventually you're going to get caught. You don't want to run a business like this. There was a guy in my group, and again, no disrespect, much love to you. I'm sharing this not to make you feel bad, but dude, you tried to cut corners. You tried to cheat the system, and you knew better. You could act like you didn't know better. You knew buying a $20 DVD that had a 600 rank that you were flipping on Amazon for 80. You knew that was counterfeit. Come on, man. You know. You're not going to find deals like that. That's ridiculous. So, and you're not going to be able to pick up 5 and 10 quantity all the time. If you play with fire with eBay to Amazon, you're going to get burned. eBay to Amazon is very lucrative. There's tons of opportunities. I flip thousands of different items, so many different categories, from books to DVDs to electronics to tools. I mean, honestly, the opportunities are endless. But if you're getting started, don't get cocky. Don't reinvent the wheel. Don't start trying to flip DVDs that are less than 20,000 rank. If there's multiple copies available, if you could see in the sold listings that multiple have been sold, if you could pick it up for 20 or 30 and flip it for 80 or 90, and it's less than 20,000 rank, and again, multiple quantities sold, multiple available, it's fake. Don't mess with that stuff. Don't try to reinvent the wheel. Of course, down the road in business, you can start to spice things up and put your little, put your spin on things based on how you source and the categories and your workflows and systems. But I'm telling you, especially if you're in the masterclass, okay? I'm going to say this again. Stop going after items that you know are counterfeit. I'm telling you right now, you're going to get burned. And I've seen this happen with multiple people. It's not funny, but it's like, I laugh because it's like, people will post in the group or in different Facebook groups, I got an IP, I got a counterfeit, and they'll say it's eBay to Amazon. I'll say, share the ASIN. And it's always some super sketchy ASIN. And it's like, dude, you're giving eBay to Amazon flippers a bad rap because you're literally trying to cheat the system, and you know it. And you can try to deny it, but you know it. Whatever, it is what it is. When I first started, there were some maybe sketchy things that I did that I'm not proud of, but eventually you're like, what the heck? I'm trying to build a long-term business, right? So do the right thing, keep your account safe. But with that being said, I'm gonna get back to enjoying this beautiful, beautiful forest out here in Arcadia National Park, jungle, forest. Feels good getting away, guys. And guess what? While I've been gone, I've been selling $2,000 to $3,000 to $4,000 a day, flipping items from eBay to Amazon, and FBA's been handling it all. So it's been really great making money while I'm on vacation, not even working. I mean, I guess I'm working making this video, but for me, it's not work. I'm just connecting with you guys and having fun and helping you guys out. But yeah, I'm gonna get back to this walk. Appreciate you guys. Much love.